Hello students, welcome back to my channel Raweducation. স্বাগতম জনাইছো সকলোকে মোৰ অন্য এটা নতুন ভিডিঅলে। আজিৰ ভিডিঅটোত মই লৈছো ক্লাস 10 ৰ কেইটামান ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ। আজিৰ ভিডিঅটো খুব ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হ'ব গৈছে যি সকল ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰী এবাৰ HSLC এক্সাম দিব ওলাইছে 2023 বৰ্ষৰ তেওঁলোকৰ বাবে নেলসন মেণ্ডেলা নামৰ চেপ্টাৰটিৰ পৰা কেইটামান মোস্ট ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট MCQ কোৱেশ্চন লৈছো। গতিকে তোমালোকে অলপ স্কিপ নকৰাকৈ ভিডিঅটো শেষলৈকে চাবা বুলি আশা ৰাখিলো। সো তোমাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কোৱেশ্চনটো হ'ল হোৱাট ইজ এপাৰ্থিড? Yes, options belag dia ase racial discrimination in the political system, freedom movement in South Africa, oath ceremony of Nelson Mandela, none of the above. So correct answer to option number A, racial discrimination in the political system. The next question to what does white supremacy mean by the author? Options belag dia ase white amphitheater, domination of white people in society, domination of white people in politics, treat every color people the same. Answer to option number B. The next question to the desire for freedom of the people transformed. Options belag dia ase an animal into a man, a frightened leader into a minister, a frightened young man into a bold one, a man into a woman. Answer hobo option number C. The next question to according to Mandela, what is the greatest wealth of a nation? At options belag dia ase minerals, diamonds, gems, people. The answer to option number D, people. The next question to why other nations discounted relations with South Africa before Nelson's struggle for apartheid? Options belag dia ase correct answer to hobo option number B, racial discrimination. The next question to here people are compared with minerals and gems, money, animals, jewels. Answer to option number A, minerals and gems. Next question to what brought international leaders to South Africa? Options belag dia ase racism, love, trade, end of apartheid. Answer to option number D, end of apartheid. The next question to agbaisu etia a prisoner of hatred takes away. Options belag dia ase money, freedom of men, love, all of the above. Answer to option number B, freedom of men. The next question to which flame can be hidden but not extinguished as per Mandela? Goodness, humanity, love, mankind. The answer to option number A, goodness. The next question to depths of oppression create poverty, heights of character, freedom, revolution. Correct answer to option number B, heights of character. The next question to choose the name of Mandela's party. Here options belag dia ase tare correct answer to hobo option number A, jeto short form ot ANC boli koa hoy, African National Congress. The next question to where did ceremonies take place? Options belag dia ase sandstone amphitheater, new amphitheater, opera house, none of the above. The answer to hobo option number A, sandstone amphitheater. The next question to number of deputy presidents elected is 4152. The answer to hobo option number A, 4. The next question to how does Nelson Mandela define the meaning of courage? Here options belag dia ase the correct answer to option number A. The next question to why is it easy to learn to love? Here options belag dia ase because it comes naturally, because they are fewer in number, because you have the will to do this, none of the above. The answer to option number A, because it comes naturally. The next question to I am here refers to Mbeki, Kairik, Jenani, Nelson Mandela. The correct answer to option number D, Nelson Mandela. The next question to full name of Nelson Mandela was. Options belag dia ase tare correct answer to option number C, Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. The next question to on which day Nelson Mandela took oath as per president? Here options belag dia ase 10th March, 10th May, 10th June, 10th January. The correct answer to option number B, 10th May. The next question to why did Mandela put freedom for the country before freedom for the family? Options belag dia ase tare correct answer to option number A, felt the pain of his citizens. The next question to how many national songs were sung during the oath ceremony? Options belag dia ase 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer to option number C, 2. The next question to in his long speech, what does Nelson Mandela said about decades-old brutality on blacks of Africa? Options belag dia ase tare correct answer to option number D, created supernatural courage, wisdom and generosity. The next question to in whom Nelson Mandela had seen a glimpse of humanity? God, relative, townspeople, God. Answer to option number A, God. Choose the name of fourth with Mandela against racism. The options belag dia ase tare correct answer to hobo option number D, all of the above. The next question to the word curtailed means increased, reduced, opposed, enlarged. Here correct answer to hobo option number C, reduced. The next question to hold, what comes more naturally to the heart according to Mandela? The options will like DISA. The correct answer to hobo option number C, love. The next question will like by Swedia. The freedom of the author who was a black was. Options will like DISA. Correct answer to hobo option number A, curtailed. The next question will like by Swedia. A man who takes away another man's freedom is white, a prisoner of hatred, criminal, rude. Answer to hobo option number B, a prisoner of hatred. So our next question rule. The inauguration was to celebrate the installation of South Africa's first capitalist government, South Africa's first democratic government, South Africa's first communist government. None of the above. Here correct answer to all option number B, South Africa's first democratic. Option number D. ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰী সকল ইমানখিনি আছিল আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'ত আলোচনা কৰিবলগীয়া কুৱেশ্যনসমূহ যে নিজে প্ৰেক্টিছ কৰিবা সবেই পঢ়িবা ঘৰত যদি কোনোবা ষ্টুডেণ্টে মোৰ চেনেলটো প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে ভিজিট কৰিছা তেতিয়াহ'লে লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ এণ্ড ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি নাপাহৰিবা আৰু কাষতে থকা বেল আইকনটো হিট কৰি দিবা যাতে আহিবলগীয়া নতুন ভিডিঅ'সমূহৰ নটিফিকেশ্যনসমূহ তোমালোকে সহজতে আৰু সোনকালে পাই যোৱা গতিকে পুনৰ লগ পাম অন্য এটা নতুন ভিডিঅ'ত আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো চোৱাৰ বাবে ধন্যবাদ